Okay, so 10th standard students, a very warm welcome and good morning to all of you. From in the last video, what we have done we was going through the geography, and we are doing right now the chapter 5, the forest resource India. Okay, the forest resource of India. In that part, what we have done the introduction part. What is a forest? How many types of forest are there? And we have gone through all the types of forest with their characteristics and descriptions. Now today what we will do, even we have done the distribution of forest also. Okay, how the forest is distributed throughout the country. Now today our first topic is conservation of forest. Okay, conservation means prevention. Okay, how to make how to prevent the forest. What are the causes for destruction of forest? Forest plays an important part or role in the national economy of India. We know the forest, not only our ecological equality is maintained. Forest supply us with timbers and all, which are we used in for making furniture. They are the raw material for several industries. So they plays an important part or role in the national economy of India. Unfortunately, the area of forest has been declining in recent years. Okay, so what happened in the recent years? The forest land has been the forest lands are decreasing. The expansion, why it is decreasing? The expansion of agricultural land, industrialization, more industries are coming, urbanization means towns and all, apartments and houses are getting built up, infrastructure, more infrastructures are coming, irrigation project, forest fire is a big issue in the rainforest of this one, it's in Africa, Amazon. They are also, I think last year it happened, people all know. It's a very dangerous thing for the forest. Once it get the fire, it means it will take somewhere around 10 to 12 days to get rid of that fire only. Okay, whatever may be. Hence the conservation of forest for the future generation is very essential. Okay, so all these things are agricultural land, industrialization, urbanization, irrigation project, forest fires, etc. These are the causes for the decline of the forest area in our country. Hence the conservation of forest for the future generation is very essential. The preservation of destruction, over exploitation of forest and its management is called conservation of forest. How to prevent, how to protect our forest. Okay, they are natural resources, we should protect it. How to protect it? Okay, so now our topic is what are the measures we should take, what step we should take to conserve the forest or to protect the forest. First is the control of deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees for the purpose of this wooden furniture and all. We can use plastic furniture also, okay, but then also we are going for wooden furniture. So these are the causes. Okay, I can understand that wooden furnitures are very important or like that, okay, but when we are having a solution for that we can use the plastic furnitures or some other types of furniture, so that we can save the forest. So this is the deforestation, means cutting of the forest. Restrictions on grazing. So restrictions on grazing means grazing area, where the livestock means farm animals, these cows and all, they will go and they will start grazing. Okay, grazing means they will eat whatever they want. Okay, so sheep and all, so that part we should control. Control of forest fire. Okay, forest fire, now only I told you sometime before that forest fire is very much dangerous for the fires. Once it catches the fire, it is almost not only dangerous, it is almost impossible to let out from that fire. One by one it will start, and the whole jungle or the whole that forest will catch the fire. What to do with those animals which is the place for their home? Okay, so the animals and the trees all will get destructed if it catch fire. So we should have always take care so that there should not be any fire in the forest. Prevention of encroachment on forest. Some people are coming, they are hunting and all. We should not allow all those things also. Control of forest insects and diseases. Okay, all the forests are there. No, we are having the forest department. Their main work is to look after the forest. Okay, how the trees are, how they means nobody should come and cut. Okay, so those department, they takes care for the insects and diseases of, like us, the plants are also having insects. The plants are also having diseases. Okay, and even the insects are there which causes destruction for the trees. Control illegal cutting of trees. Trees should not get cut illegal. Those forest department, they take care. Scientific or technical cutting of trees. Technical cutting or scientific cutting means you should cut the tree but it should not get died. Again it should go. That is the scientific, or so for that knowledge should be there. Legislation to check deforestation. Legislation means laws. Laws should be there so that we can prevent the deforestation. Encourage afforestation. See, suppose one plant died, okay, immediately we should put another 2 plants so that we can save our forest. It's not that some 10 plants died means there I will build a apartment. Okay. Creating of awareness among the people about the importance of forest. People, see, those who knows about this thing, we should encourage or we should make an awareness among the other people that we should not do this, because these are the natural resources. In the future, if these are not there, we will not be getting sufficient air and no sufficient development for the economy of our country. We should do awareness among the people who are there besides us. Okay, so creating awareness. Now we will go for wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries. What is this wildlife sanctuaries? Wildlife sanctuaries, WLS, refers to a place meant for protecting to wildlife. Okay, they are the huge place is there where the wild animals are there and people are there to protect them. There it is not possible to do hunting and or killing of these wild animals. It is an area where killing or capturing of any species of animal is prohibited except under orders from the concerned authority. Okay, what happens? No, here killing is restricted, but sometimes killing is necessary. Suppose elephant got mad or something like that. Okay, that time the authority gives the order, then only you can do the killing, or else there is no provisions that you can do the killing or hunting of animals in this area. There are about 523 wildlife sanctuaries in India. There are about 523 wildlife sanctuaries in India. The important wildlife sanctuaries are as follows: Annamalai and Madumalai. These are in this is in Tamil Nadu. Now I will go with the Karnataka. Dandeli, Bhadra, Talakaveri and Bear Hills. These are in Karnataka. Then Periyar, it is in Kerala. Nagarjuna Sagar, Telangana. Bharatpur and Ratnabore, it's in Rajasthan. Manas in Assam and Jaldapara in West Bengal. These are the names of some important, but we are having 523 wildlife sanctuaries. Next is National Park. National Park, as of now, you will all know, because in Bangalore also we are having a national park, that is Bannerghatta National Park, which has now become Bannerghatta Biological Park. Now National Park, an extensive area which is specially protected to preserve its natural beauty, wildlife and forest for public recreation and scientific interest, is called National Park. National Park. These are not zoo. Here these wild animals, they are kept alive inside not in a zoo or cage. Okay, they are free. Their freedom of the wildlife is there. Forestry, grazing, agricultural activities are not allowed here. Forestry, Okay, then grazing and agricultural activities are not allowed in the national park. There are all total 99 national parks in India. The first national park in the world is Yellowstone. It's in USA in the year 1872. The first national park in India is Jim Corbett. It's in Uttarakhand and it was established in the year 1936. The important national park in India are as follows. What are the important national park? Kaziranga, it's in Assam. Sundarban, West Bengal. Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand. Gir, Gujarat. Kanha, MP. Bandipur, Bannerghatta and Nagarhole, it's in Karnataka. Okay. Seriska, it's in Rajasthan. Okay. Dudhwa in Uttar Pradesh and Tadoba in Maharashtra, etc. Okay, so these are the national parks. Now a very small thing is there. One more thing has come, that is Biosphere Reserve. What is this Biosphere Reserve? The Biosphere Reserves are a special category of protected area of land or coastal environment. Here people are an integral component of the system. The main objective, this is a very important, the main objective of Biosphere Reserve are conservation, research, education and local involvement. Biosphere Reserve was launched by UNESCO in 1971 under its Man and Biosphere Program, MAB. Okay, in India, Biosphere Reserve came into existing in 1986 at Nilgiri Hills. In India also there are some biosphere. In India there are 18 biosphere reserves. Some of the important biosphere reserves are as follows: Nilgiri, Nanda Devi, Nokrek, Manas, Great Nicobar, Gulf of Manna, Sundarban, okay, Simlipal, Kanchenjunga, Panchmori, then Agastya Malaya, then Dibru Saikova and Dihang Dibang. Okay, these are the names. See, these three topics what I told you, no. Here the main questions are coming. Write the name of 3 wildlife sanctuaries of India, then 3 national parks of India, 3, not 3, better you memorize 5. Okay, then only your work is over. And this question several times came, I have seen, it's in SSLC, very important question. What are the measures for conservation of forest in India? So that you should go through it, and any problem you can come and discuss with me. Okay, so thank you for now.